This segment of Renegade TV is brought to you by Rula Salon and Spa, voted one of the top salon and spas by Baltimore Magazine. Let Rula Salon and Spa create a glamorous new you. 9660 Bel Air Road, Perry Hall.
Hi, I'm Johnny O, and tonight I'm at the Maserati dealership in Towson on York Road for a huge fundraiser called Empowerment Minds with Daniel and Shauna Wilcox. Wait till you see what we have in store for you tonight. I'm here with my good friends Shauna and Daniel Wilcox, and we're here for Empowerment Minds. How you guys doing?
Doing excellent, Johnny.
Good to see you.
Bro, man.
Tell me about the event. Tell me why we're here. What's going on?
Well, my wife came up with this idea about 3 months ago to do a celebrity fashion show, auction and fundraiser for the foundation, Empowerment Minds Foundation. I thought it was an excellent idea. She's been working around the clock 24 hours a day.
This is Shauna Wilcox, and I know you've been working hard because I've been working with you as one of the sponsors, which I'm very proud to be a part of this, Daniel. Thank you very much for asking me.
Have you.
Thank you very much. Now, how has it been getting ready for this, Shauna? Tell the truth.
It's been hectic. We had a short space of time to do this, and but I think it's working out well. Everyone's been really great. They support the foundation, which is the most important.
Along with all of the other things going on here, something caught my eye. You know it's going to. These beautiful Italian Ducati motorcycles. And with me right now is Joe. Joe, how you doing?
Hi.
Good. Joe, tell me a little bit about what you've got out here, especially this brand new one here. I got to know. What is this? Tell me about it.
Okay, well this is the Ducati Sport 1000S, and this is based on earlier models that Ducati made in the 70s, and they have a whole range of these. This is actually what Ducati calls a biposto. It's a two-seater.
What size engine are we looking at?
That's
here?
a 1000cc. It's actually a 992. It's called an L twin, a two-valve twin. Ducati's famous for that.
Oh yeah, great running machine. I know we've got a couple more over here. I love this bagger. You got to tell me a little bit about this bagger over here.
Moto Guzzi is a separate Italian company. Ducatis are hand-built as well in Italy. They've been around since 1921, a long time. They're the opposed twin like this, similar to a BMW, and it's a shaft drive like a BMW might be as well. And in 2007 started making this. This is the only California model that they make. It's called a California Vintage. It's an 1100cc motorcycle.
1100, so this is a great touring motorcycle.
Oh, absolutely.
And this is going to take you all around the California highways and suburb city as well, yeah. Also, there's another one over here, this black and silver one. Can you tell me about this one here?
Sure, this is the GT1000. Now, this is based on the GT750 from the 70s, and of course they made a bigger motor, better brakes, and fuel injection. Easy to ride, 6-speed, good torque, and just great fun. Light, easy to handle.
Now, there you have it. We've got these beautiful Ducati motorcycles, just incredible Italian engineering. When you're ready to grab one of these off the floor, come down here to Maserati in Towson. You'll see Joe. He's going to take care of you. Joe, thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
And good luck to the Ducati racing team. I'm sure we're going to see you in '09 in competition.
We hope so.
Hopefully crossing the finish line. I'm Johnny O, and I got my good man Stash right here. You're watching Renegade TV.
We're hanging out with millionaires.
Oh yeah, players everywhere. Hors d'oeuvres, drinks, cars, bikes, girls. It doesn't get much better than this, and we're raising a lot of money for Empowerment Minds.
That's right, because kids deserve more, man. We're so happy to be a part of this. Dan Wilcox, his wife Shauna, putting on this awesome fashion show here at the Maserati dealership. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to see my boy right here.
I'm telling you, my good man Stash right here, this is the behind-the-scenes stuff. This is what you don't see and what goes on to put an event like this together. Let's go check it out. These are all the beautiful models getting ready to go out on the runway before everybody else gets to see them. All you see is the girls coming out on the runway. You don't see what it takes to get one of these events off the ground and on the runway. So here they are. Look at them, they're gorgeous.
There are a lot of beautiful women here. I'm sorry. Oh, the event.
Nice.
It's actually a great event. A lot of people. It's good to see people in Baltimore coming together for good causes.
Two of my favorite players on the Baltimore Ravens, Dan Wilcox and Todd Heap. Todd, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
I'm doing great, man. Let me tell you, what does it mean to you to be here, and how'd you get involved with Daniel and Empowerment Minds 83?
Well, I always enjoyed being involved with anything Dan's involved with, and he does so much for this community. He does so many events, I can't even keep up with him. But
I know he does.
this is one of his big events, and I'm excited to be here. And he puts a lot of time into this. and helps out a lot of kids in the Baltimore community. So my wife and I, we're excited to be here.
Oh, absolutely. And Dan, you know, I've been involved with this from the get-go too with Shauna, and every time I look at the door, you got somebody new coming in. You got Todd Heat, man. You got Edgar. You got everybody's out here tonight. Haloti Ngata, everybody. I guess when you do something, they all come out, man. It's got to be a good feeling.
Jay, you know what, man? It's one of those things where anytime my teammates are doing anything, I always try to support them or whatever it is they're doing. I don't care what time of the day it is, what day it is, or whatever it may be. I just ask them, I tell them about the event, and if they're interested, they come out and they show me love, man. I'm glad they came out tonight.
I'm here with pro racer Doug Horn. Doug, how are you?
How you doing, John?
Very good. Tell me a little bit about what you're doing. I know you just set some records and got a big contract. I want you to tell me a little bit about what's going on with your racing company.
This is my second year ever drag racing, first year on this bike, and third in the nation in points. I'm loving it, you know what I mean? Just trying to go out here and learn how to do it.
Third in the nation with points. That's outstanding.
Yeah.
How long does your season run?
14 races from March to November.
Very impressive. 215 miles an hour. How old are you?
19.
19 years old. Well, Doug, congratulations on your success. Number 3 in the world. That is incredible. I know you're going to go to number 1. There's some fans here that would like to see you. Girls, come on in and say hi to Doug. Hi. How about that, huh? Now that's inspiration. 215 miles an hour. Right here, right out of Baltimore, Maryland. Thank you, guys.
With constant changes in both federal and state laws, businesses find it difficult to remain in compliance with government regulations. Non-compliance can be subject to government audits, fines, and/or employee lawsuits. HR Results is a Baltimore-based consulting firm that can help you manage your day-to-day HR needs related to benefits, compensation, compliance, employee relations, health safety, recruitment, and/or training. Contact us now at 410-335-6800 or visit our website at hresultsinc.com.
I'm Shane. I'm not going to get a chance, but you're watching Renegade TV.
Come on, Shane. Let's go.
Watch Renegade TV on Fox 45.
Rula Salon and Spa is noted one of the top 30 salons and spas by Baltimore Magazine. Rula's offers an array of services from the latest hairstyles, color trends to nail services, soothing massage and skincare, rejuvenating body treatments, makeup, and much more. Pamper yourself or the one you love with a day of beauty. Gift certificates and packages are available in any denomination. Our friendly and fully experienced staff is looking forward to seeing you. Come by and let our expert colorist design a glamorous new you. Escape, indulge, live.